Hey, John, what is this buzzing sound?
Well, it might just be the buzzing in my ears for not protecting them for years pumping septic tanks. But usually when homeowners sometimes, they'll call so any pump chambers, so the septic systems that have what's called a septic tank and a lift station in it that pumps it up into your mound or your Acrade system, you're gonna have a pump. Most of the time on those pumps, there's an alarm float hooked up to it. And most of the time, those alarms are inside a basement, maybe in garages, wherever it got wired in. And there's a button that says horn and silent. Most of them are on horn. So if all of a sudden you're in your house and you're just hearing some weird beeping, chirping, some sound like birds, some are, it's gonna wake you up in the middle of the night when something doesn't work. If you're hearing that horn, that might be an septic alarm. It could be. So go check it. If it is, flip the horn on to silent so you don't have to listen to that chirping or that all night. And give us a call, because usually what that means is there's an electrical issue, and a lot of times we can kind of talk you through it to check a few things out. But give us a call, we can help you out with it.